In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can invite users on your Zoho Books profile. Inviting users on Zoho Books is crucial for collaboration and efficiency. It allows team members to access relevant financial data, streamline workflows, and contribute to tasks such as invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. To do this, simply head into your Zoho Books. On your profile page, tap onto this plus icon on your upper right corner of the screen. Select on Add Users. You will then get to this page. Enter the name of the person you want to invite. Proceed by also entering their email address. It must be an active email address. Lastly, enter their role on your account. As you can see, all these roles have limits on what the invited user has to do on your account. Tap on Send and an invitation will get sent to them through their email. When accepted, they will have access to your account. This ensures everyone is on the same page and promotes transparency within the organization. That's how easy it is to invite anyone to your Zoho Books account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.